The question for today is Jane Goodall's contribution in studying primate behavior. This was the 10 marker question of UPSC CSC Anthropology paper 1 2020. So, Jane Goodall, we write the introduction, was an expert on primate behavior and she especially studied the chimpanzee primate behavior, trained under Louis Leakey. Louis Leakey was the famous archaeologist who worked in East Africa, trained under लुइस लीकी, उनकी सेक्रेटरी के तौर पे इन्होंने काम किया था. who through her works on chimpanzees have completely transformed our understanding about our closest primate cousin, ठीक है, who is our closest primate cousin? Chimpanzee, right? She discovered, next paragraph, she discovered various aspects of chimpanzee behavior such as tool making. She discovered various aspects of chimpanzee behavior such as tool making, hunting and meat eating, protection of their territory and warfare, protection of their territory and warfare, social aspects such as hugging, kissing, mother-child bond, etc. Okay, so let us discuss all these in detail. Okay, etc. which are described below, etc. which are described below. So number one, tool making. Jane Goodall observed that chimpanzees use tools. Chimpanzees use tools to pull out termites, from their mound. क्या करता है चिंपैंजी? एक स्टिक लेगा, उस स्टिक को तोड़ के माउंट जो होता है टर्माइट का उसमें डालेगा, उस पर चिपक के टर्माइट्स आ जाएंगे एंड देन that will be eaten. Second, meat eating and hunting. She observed hunting and killing and eating of piglets and monkeys by chimpanzees. Furthermore, third one, she observed that chimpanzees are divided into social groups. Chimpanzees are divided into social groups and they live in defined territories. Not only this, they behave like a tribe, right? And chimpanzees protect their territory. They patrol their territory. They patrol and protect their territory. अगर कोई गलती से भी बाहर का चिंपैंजी आ गया, उसको पीट के भगा देंगे ये लोग, ठीक है? छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा. How dare you? You are entering in my territory. ठीक है? So the concept of nation you can see here. ऐसे कैसे इंडिया में भारत, हमारे भारत से घुस के आ गए तुम, घुसपैठी, है ना? So these concepts basically कि बाहर से आया है, कहीं से भी, चाहे पाकिस्तान से आया है, अफगानिस्तान से आया है, तो basically they protect their territory, they patrol and protect. बाहर से आएगा तो they will attack, right? She also observed that the mother-child bond, fourth one, the mother-child bond is not instinctive. The mother-child bond is not instinctive. Instinctive means ये कोई biological instinct का part नहीं है. Mother-child bond is not instinctive. It is not instinctive. Rather, it is part of the learned behavior. मदर चाइल्ड के बीच में जो बॉन्ड होता है, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ लर्नड बिहेवियर. द चिंपैंजी मदर्स टीच देयर ओल्डर डॉटर्स to take care of their younger daughters Okay. So by studying these observations, on the basis of these observations that she discovered there, she concluded, right further. So on the basis of these observations, she concluded that we are not the only beings on the planet. We are not the only beings on the planet with personalities, thoughts, and most importantly, feelings. Right? We are not the only beings on the planet with personalities, thoughts, and most importantly, feelings. See, further on goes to say, the non-verbal body language, is the same for chimpanzees as it is for us. The non-verbal, एक तो मैं मुंह से बोल रहा हूं, एक मेरा हाथ हिल रहा है, right? So this non-verbal body language is same for us and for chimpanzees. They use same gestures. They use same gestures and postures. They use same gestures and postures in the same context, that we use. And one more, finally you can say, after the discovery of tool making by chimpanzees, her mentor Louis Leakey observed, इनका जो mentor था Louis Leakey, he observed, quote, we must now redefine men, comma, redefine tool or accept chimpanzees as human, unquote. Or accept chimpanzees as human, unquote, full stop. Right. So this was the phenomenal contribution of Jane Goodall to understand the primate behavior, right? Our closest cousin. Okay. So that is it. Thank you very much.